triangle. A triangle is a three-sided closed figure. Name of triangle: triangle ABC, triangle BCA, or triangle CAB. So while writing name of triangle, you just need to write three alphabets with triangle symbol. Parts of triangle: three sides, that is side AB, side BC, and side CA. Three vertices. Vertices are also called corners. So it's A, B, C. Three angles. This is symbol of angle, that is angle A, angle B, and angle C. Another property: sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Types of triangle. Based on sides, we have first equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal. Equi means all sides equal. Isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. Iso means two sides. Scalene triangle, all three sides are different. So to remember what is scalene triangle, you know already, scale has different measurements. So scalene triangle, different sides. Based on angles, we have acute angled triangle, that is all angles less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angled triangle, one angle greater than 90 degrees. And right angled triangle, one angle exactly 90 degrees. So now we'll understand properties of each of these triangles. So first we have equilateral triangle, which is based on sides. All three sides are equal in length. So we have triangle ABC here, where all three sides are same length, that is 7 centimeters. So first property is AB is equal to side BC is equal to side CA. All angles are equal. So here you can see angle A, angle B, and angle C. All are equal, and they are equal to 60 degrees always. This is another property. And we can say that this triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle because all sides are equal, all angles are equal. Isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal in length. So we have triangle PQR, where we can see two sides are of 5 centimeters and one is different. So when two sides are equal, that is side PQ is equal to side PR, we can say it's the isosceles triangle. We have another property, that is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So it means angle Q is equal to angle R. Now angles opposite to equal sides. So here angle Q is opposite to PR and angle R is opposite to side PQ. So that's why they are equal. Here both the angles are 50 degrees and another one is 80 degrees, that is different. So this is another property of isosceles triangle. So we can say triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. Scalene triangle, all three sides are of different length. Scale has different measurements. So scalene triangle, all sides different length. Now here we have triangle MNO, where all sides are different. One is 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Here we can see all sides are equal, that is side MN is not equal to NO is not equal to OM. All angles are different as well. Angle M, angle N, and angle O, all are different. So one is 80 degrees, one is 70 degrees, another is 30 degrees. So we can say triangle MNO is a scalene triangle where everything is different, even the sides, even the angles. Now based on angles, we have acute angled triangle where all three angles are less than 90 degrees. So here we have triangle PQR where all these angles are less than 90 degrees. So here we can say angle P, which is 80 degrees less than 90, angle Q, which is 60 degrees less than 90, and angle R, which is 40 degrees is also less than 90. So we can say that this PQR is an acute angle triangle. There is one another property for acute angle triangle, that is all equilateral triangles are acute angled. Why? Because you know already that equilateral triangles has angles 60 degree. Each angle is 60 degrees, which is less than 90 degrees. So this type of questions can be asked in your competitive exams. So we can say triangle PQR is an acute angled triangle. obtuse angled triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. In case of acute, all angles were less than 90 degrees. But in case of obtuse, only one angle should be greater than 90 degrees. So here the diagram could be like this. So first property, that one angle should be greater than 90 degree, that is here you can see in the picture it's 110 degrees, which is greater than 90, angle A. Other two angles are acute. So other two angles, this is another property, that they should be acute, that is 40 degrees, 30 degrees. Obtuse angle is wide. By looking at the triangle, we can easily say that this is obtuse angle triangle because triangle will be wide as well. So triangle ABC is an obtuse angled triangle. Now right angled triangle, one angle is exactly 90 degrees. So here the figure will be like this. So one angle, that is angle S, is equals to 90 degrees, and other two angles could be any other, that is one is 60 degrees, another is 30 degrees. So properties, one angle should be 90 degrees, which is marked with a square. So other angles are marked with the curves, but this one with the square when it is 90 degrees. Side opposite to 90 degrees called hypotenuse. This is another property you should know, and hypotenuse is the longest side as well. So we can say triangle RST is a right angled triangle. So this one is easy, just remember, you just need to check angle should be 90 degrees, that is right angled triangle. Now these fill-ups are for you to do. Pause the video, do the answers yourself, and then check your answers with me. Okay, I'll be doing this one by one. A triangle with all three sides are equal. All sides equal. All sides equal, equilateral triangle. All angles less than 90 degrees. So talking about angles that is less than 90, acute angled triangle. One angle greater than 90 degrees. A triangle with one angle greater than 90 is obtuse angled triangle. Now we can see the measurements here. A triangle has sides 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Two sides equal. Two sides is isosceles triangle. One angle of a triangle is 90 degree. Exactly 90 is right angled triangle. A triangle with angles 50 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees. All angles are less than 90 degrees. So it is acute angled triangle. A triangle has sides that is 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter. All sides different like scale. So it is scalene triangle. This exercise is for you to solve. A triangle has sides that is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. What type is it? Write this answer in the comment section. I'll check. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming videos. Bye bye.